Today, I'll show you how to create a budget alert in Microsoft Azure. Budget alerts are essential for keeping track of your spending and ensuring you stay within your financial limits, especially when managing various resources in Azure. Whether you're overseeing a single project or multiple accounts, setting up a budget alert can help you maintain control over your expenses and avoid any unexpected costs. Let's get started. First, navigate to the top search bar in your Azure portal. This is where you can quickly find the service you need. Type in Cost Management plus Billing and select it from the list of services that appears. This section of Azure is your gateway to understanding and managing your financial activities within the platform. Once you've entered the Cost Management plus Billing section, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll find a range of options to explore, but for now, click on Cost Management. This will expand the menu, revealing further options you can choose from. In the expanded menu, look for the Budgets option under the Cost Management section and click on it. This is where you can view existing budgets and create new ones to ensure your spending aligns with your financial strategy. Now, glance upwards to the top action bar and click on the plus add button. This is your starting point for setting up a new budget alert. It's a straightforward process, but attention to detail is key to ensuring your alert is tailored to your needs. Next, you'll need to set the scope of your budget alert. This is crucial because it determines the specific area of your Azure account you'll be monitoring. Make sure the scope header accurately reflects the billing subscription or resource group you wish to track. If your focus is on a particular project, you can refine it further by clicking on Change Scope. This allows you to filter down to the exact resource group you're interested in, ensuring pinpoint accuracy in your budget tracking. With the scope set, it's time to fill out the budget details. This step involves specifying the financial limits you want to impose. Decide on the amount you're comfortable spending and the time frame over which this budget will apply, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Setting these details carefully helps you maintain financial discipline and gives you peace of mind by alerting you before your expenses exceed your predetermined threshold. Once you've completed these steps, your budget alert is ready to go. By configuring this alert, you've taken a proactive step towards better financial management within Azure. It's an invaluable tool that helps you stay informed about your spending patterns and make necessary adjustments in real time. Remember, the key to effective budget management is consistency. Regularly review your budgets and adjust them as necessary based on your evolving needs and projects. Azure's comprehensive tools make it easy to stay on top of your finances, so take advantage of them to ensure your resources are always aligned with your financial goals. That wraps up our guide on creating a budget alert in Microsoft Azure. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to take control of your Azure spending. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Microsoft's extensive support resources or drop your queries in the comments section. Thanks for tuning in and happy budgeting.